Sanibonani. Thank you so much ukuthi nibuke ama-videos wami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu because when you watch niyangikhuthaza. So namhlanje ngizoshare about indaba yokuthi ngizizwa ngumuntu ongekho. Ngizizwa ngumuntu ongenalutho ngaphakathi kwami. Kuthethwe yonke into. Because it's hard to dream. Or even if I dream, kunzima ukuthi ngithole into engiyifunayo. Noma mhlawumbe amehlo ayavaleka. Ngingaboni into efanele mina. So for instance, this other time when I realized ukuthi ngumuntu okungenalutho ngaphakathi kwami is when I tried to search ukuthi kanti why is it makufuneke ngifunde i-driving ngithole umuntu ongafuni ukudrive. But then I will speak it with my mouth ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngidrive. But then when the opportunity comes, sewumuntu nje ongasafuni ukudrive. So ngingumuntu ongenalutho ngaphakathi kwakhe. So kunzima ukufeza amaphupho. Even if abakhona amaphupho, mase kufikile kuba nzima ukuthi ngiwafeza amaphupho. Mase kufanele ukuthi ngithole imali, ngiyithole imali kodwa ngihluleke ukuyothenga kodwa bikhona into ade ngiyifisa ngemali. So kunzima ukuthi ngiye phambili, kube nzima futhi ukuye emuva. But if ngihlala phansi ngithi ake ngibheke ngikuphi, ake ngiyifune ngikuphi, mangiyifuna ngiyithola ngisehlathini and ehlathini ngiyi-1 but ngisuke ngibheke phezulu. When I try to look for myself ukuthi kanti where am I, ngikuphi kanti, why is this happening, why kwenzeka lezi zinto ezenzekayo, then I realize ukuthi akusenalutho. Ngiyayibuza ukuthi mhlawumbe ngayimosha kakhulu na if ngiya kumamfundisi ukuyokhuluma ngomyeni wami, yila zaphela khona yini izinto, or izinto zaqedwa ukuthi ngibe ngumuntu ongavumi ukuxolisa mangithola ukuthi ngirong. Angazi le video engi-expose namhlanje is something that is a question that I'm asking myself. So it's not something like engithi mangi-expose ngithi I know ukuthi kwenzakalani, into engayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but ngoba ngiya-expose ngiyakholelwa ekutheni into mawi-expose ekuhluphayo iyaphelelwa ngamandla. Just like with ama-videos wami la enganichazela khona ngendaba yokuthi ngiphupha ngilala nabantu engabazi, saba-reduceka labo bantu. So I would like to believe ukuthi nalokho ukuthi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle ukungabi nalutho zikuphi-ke iy'nto zami, azibuye back iy'nto zami, angabe umuntu ohluleka ukuthi izinto zakhe mase yifikile ngihluleka ukuyisebenzisa.